Children, already I told you in our textbook right-handed coordinate system is used. So what is meant by right-handed coordinate system? It is that XYZ axis, all the three axes are drawn in anti-clockwise direction. You can see here children, X, Y and Z axis, all the three axes are drawn in anti-clockwise. Same way here also in this diagram also you can see X axis, Y axis and Z axis, all the three axes are drawn in anti-clockwise. So right-handed coordinate system, if the axes are marked in anti-clockwise direction, then we call it as a right-handed coordinate system. Okay, now in this system, if you know two axes, how to determine the third axis? For example, how to find the Z axis, we will learn how to find out the Z axis. X and Y axis are, and try to remember that X, Y and Z axis, all the three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other, which we have already discussed in the previous class, right? Now, how to find the Z direction? For that, what you can do is, children, you have to place four fingers in the direction of X axis. That is, these right hand, these four fingers, you have to place it in the direction of X axis. Okay, so this is the direction of X axis. Place these four fingers in the direction of X axis. Rotate the finger in the direction of Y axis. Place the finger on X axis and rotate it towards the Y axis. You know that Y axis here. Place on X axis. Rotate these four finger on toward the Y axis. Now, if you do that, in this case, these four fingers act together, and this finger thumb, it will act separately. Children, you can see these four fingers are kept along the X axis. Roll it, curl it toward the Y axis. This extended thumb, you can see the extended thumb, it gives the direction of the Z axis. How is the thumb, children? It is coming out of the paper, right? So the direction of Z axis is out of the paper. Okay. Now we cannot draw, we cannot draw three-dimensional diagram in the paper, right? So this Z axis is drawn this way, which represent that it is coming out of the paper. Thumb represent the Z axis. This is coming out of the paper, so that Z axis, you can conclude that Z axis is out of the paper, right? And these two are perpendicular. If it is going to come out of the paper, X and Z axis, pencil represent Z axis, children. XZ is perpendicular, YZ is also perpendicular to each other. Okay, now in the other case also, you consider this example, children. The same way, you have to place the four fingers in the direction of X axis and curl it toward the direction of Y axis, and the thumb, if you see, it will come out of the paper. Okay, so how will you try this? I will turn the paper to my convenience, children. I have placed these four fingers along the X axis. Now I am going to turn these four fingers along the Y axis. You can see that the thumb is coming out of the paper. That is, the thumb represent Z axis already, I told you. You can see that. That is why I have written the thumb is out of the paper. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Thank you.